Hello and welcome to Columbia. I'm Dr. Melanie Bernitz, Senior Vice President of Columbia Health. On behalf of our team, we are excited that you are now part of this incredible community, and we look forward to supporting you during your time here at Columbia. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share important information about the ways we can support you and how to best take advantage of all the resources we provide. Now, we know there is a lot of information coming your way during orientation, including in this video. So if you remember nothing else, please remember that the entire Columbia Health team is here to support your success during your time at Columbia University. For some, that might mean regular interactions with one or more parts of our healthcare organization. For others, it might be an occasional visit or attendance at one of our programs, and for others, it may be using our online resources. However we can best support your goals, we invite you to connect with Columbia Health. Before I get to our programs and services, I want to take a moment to share a bit about why taking care of your health and well-being is so important. In fact, it's fundamental to your success here at Columbia and really to your success in your life in general. It's quite simple, really. Think about a time when you had something really important to do, like a big performance or a challenging test. Now imagine you hadn't slept well, or you had an emotional stressor you hadn't dealt with, or you had a chronic pain you'd been managing with over-the-counter medication. How well did you do on that important task? Now, imagine the same performance or test, but this time you've slept, eaten well, you've spoken with a friend or counselor about the thing that's been stressing you out, or you've talked to your primary care provider about the underlying cause of that pain and it's almost gone. How do you think you'd do this time? The science checks out. When you feel good in your body, your heart, and in your mind, you'll do better. It's a lot harder to succeed when you don't feel good. And Columbia Health is here to partner with you to help you feel your best so you can accomplish what you came here to do while being happy, healthy, and well. Now, let's take a minute to talk about us, Columbia Health. We are a team of 200 college health professionals that offer programs and services spanning medical care, mental health care, health promotion and education, disability accommodations, and violence prevention and advocacy. If you visit our website, you'll find more than 70 different programs and services designed to support your health and well-being here at Columbia. Most Columbia students will engage with Columbia Health at one point or another during their time at Columbia. Students connect with us in a variety of ways, through medical or mental health visits, health promotion and violence prevention programs, or through accommodations. This is just a small sample of the ways students engage with Columbia Health to ensure their well-being while pursuing their academic goals. So, in whatever ways you choose to engage, and for however many times, please know this: Columbia Health is here to help. Columbia Health is here for you. There are so many reasons to start your care with Columbia Health. No added cost, no visit limits, and multiple ways you can learn to better care for yourself and your community. All of our programs and services evolve as your needs change and are delivered by a diverse expert team dedicated to the health and well-being concerns of university students. We do all of this work with in-person and telehealth options in all areas of our organization so we can support you both on and off campus. What's also special is that Columbia Health is embedded in the Columbia ecosystem so we can connect you to additional resources on campus and off whenever needed. So now let's talk about some specifics you need to know to take advantage of all we have to offer. Let's start with the most basic: what to do when you're not feeling well or need a checkup. Schedule a same-day appointment with medical services through our patient portal or by calling 212-854-7426. If you're experiencing emotional distress or a mental health concern, you can schedule a treatment planning session with counseling and psychological services through our patient portal or by calling 212-854-2878. You can also join any number of support spaces and workshops or leverage drop-in hours happening throughout the week. For some, this might be a big change if you're used to going directly to a hospital, urgent care, emergency room, or community clinic. But there are very good reasons to connect with Columbia Health first. For example, you may be used to paying each time you see a healthcare provider. That's not the case here. Visits with our providers come at no extra cost for most students. Our services are covered by the Health and Related Services fee. There are also no visit limits with any provider because we want to make sure you can access the care you need when you need it. Perhaps you need classroom, housing, or testing accommodations for a chronic medical condition or a disability. Visit our website to register with Disability Services and to learn about other ways we can support you so your Columbia experience is fully accessible. As you navigate through your Columbia experience, we invite you to proactively focus on staying well and healthy through our programs on sleep, time management, tobacco cessation, responsible substance use, anti-racism, consent, and healthy relationships. We have peer advocates, educators, and wellness coaches who can talk to you about sex, birth control, getting tested for STIs, accessing PrEP and PEP treatments, and so much more. And we are most definitely here for you in times of crisis. If you experience sexual assault or any form of violence, you can reach advocates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 212-854-4357 for confidential support, intervention, advocacy, and guidance about your options and next steps. In addition to the 24/7 crisis helpline, if you're experiencing an urgent concern, you can reach medical services at 212-854-7426 or counseling and psychological services at 212-854-2878 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you're on or near campus and experiencing a medical emergency and need transportation to the emergency room, remember that our student-run ambulance service, CUEMS, is available at no charge. It's confidential and available around the clock. You can request CUEMS by calling Public Safety at 212-854-5555. Occasionally, there are health needs best supported by services not available on campus. In these moments, you'll need to go off campus. For example, getting prescription medication from a pharmacy, x-rays, seeing some medical specialists, or long-term mental health care. When you are referred off campus for care, you will use your health insurance plan to cover these costs. By the way, if you're on the Columbia University Student Health Insurance Plan, you must get a referral from medical services or counseling and psychological services before you see an off-campus specialist. Also, please make sure to read our monthly emails to maximize your plan benefits. If you want help understanding or navigating anything about insurance, remember that the Student Health Insurance team is here to help. Just email us. As we come to the end of this video introduction, I want to emphasize one other final important point. As much as each of us is responsible for our own health and need to take care of ourselves in order to succeed, know that here at Columbia, you are supported. Beyond Columbia Health is a community of friends, classmates, peers, faculty advisors, student affairs officers, wellness deans, and many others who are here to make sure you have the support you need to thrive and be well at Columbia. So don't wait. If something feels off, reach out to any one of us because we are all here to help. You too can be part of this community of care by knowing how to get help. You can look out for others because sometimes a friend can recognize that someone needs help earlier than they themselves can. We have trainings that can help you better respond to your peers' needs, or how to be an effective bystander, or even how to reverse an opioid overdose with naloxone. Visit our website or follow us on social media to find out about these trainings and to see all the services available for you. Know that you can always email us at health@columbia.edu and we'll be sure to connect you to the right person, unit, or department. So remember, while you're a student at Columbia, your first stop for care is at Columbia Health. Our team looks forward to supporting you throughout your journey, and if we don't have a chance to interact with you before commencement, we hope to see you on that special day, celebrating all that you have accomplished at Columbia alongside your friends, family, and loved ones.